Oh my gosh, you are home.
I know. I am so excited to be home.
Welcome home, Tony. I cannot wait for you to tell me all about your trip.
Okay, let's go somewhere to talk, Valerie.
Where would you like to go?
Let's go to Starbucks.
Let's dash.
Wow, this place is nice.
Yeah, it really is. I am glad you are home.
Yes, I missed you so much.
Okay. Tell me about your trip.
I learned so much. I am so excited to tell my students about it at work.
I bet. The students will be so happy to see you again like I am. What happened at this convention you went to?
It was all about invasive species.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Did you know that invasive species are both good and bad for the environment?
No way.
Yeah. They have ecological benefits because they provide ecosystem services, replenish human-damaged regions, and help sustain natural health.
That is really cool, but I am not really sure what that means.
An example of an invasive species that provides benefits to the ecosystem is the Himalayan blackberry.
I have never heard of that.
Well, the cool thing about them is that their seeds remain viable for soil for many years. They are located along rivers and wetland edges. They do not have to be controlled because they are very spread through the king country.
Whoa, those berries sounds awesome.
They sure are. But anyway, invasive species can have ecological risks. Invasive species can be a threat to biodiversity, they can disrupt habitat, and can cause disease.
Do you have any examples of a species that does that stuff?
Yeah, the Asian chestnut blight fungus. It attacks the American chestnut tree.
What does it look like?
It can look like a sunken or swollen yellow canker. Eventually the canker would spread throughout the tree and kill it.
All those poor trees.
Yeah, it's pretty sad, but do not worry. Some invasive species provide economic benefits.
I bet there are economic risks too.
There are, but I will get to that soon. Let us talk about the economic benefits.
Alright, let us talk about it.
Invasive species can be beneficial to the environment because they restore ecosystems, and can benefit neighboring species.
Oh. I think I know about this one.
Really?
Yeah. There is a thing called aquafishing.
Yeah, you are right. Some fish are farmed and sold to be aquafished. This helps the economy because there is money going in and out.
I am so smart.
You sure are.
Alright, tell me about the economic risks.
Well, invasive species can be an economic risk because the cost to control them can be very high. This is not good for the economy at all.
Oh no.
Invasive species can also reduce productivity in agriculture, and can cause import and export trade restrictions.
Oh. Tell me more.
Zebra mussels are an example of a species that is an economic risk.
Zebra like the animal at the zoo?
No, silly. They are an invasive species that attach to boats. They can cause issues for the boat and clog pipes. Swimmers also can cut their feet on them.
Ouch, that would hurt.
Yeah, it really would. To prevent the spread of zebra mussels, make sure to clean your boat and other water gear.
Thank you for the advice.
I really had a great trip.
It sure sounds like you did. I am so happy that you got to go on such a fun trip.
Me too. Thank you for taking me out to Starbucks and listening to me talk.
No problem. Invasive species are really interesting.